In this video tutorial, we will show you how to swap a head in Photoshop. In order to swap a head or face in Photoshop, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to the File tab. Press Open and choose the files to edit. Choose the Lasso tool. Select the face by the edge. Then click on the Move tool. With the left mouse button, press on the selected part of the face and just drag it to another opened image. Click on Opacity and move the slider to 63%. Adjust the position of the face. Go to the Edit tab. Choose Free Transform. Adjust the face position again. Confirm the transformation. Move the opacity slider to 100%. Click on Add Vector Mask for the Layer 1. Click on Layer Mask Thumbnail. Choose the Brush tool. Select the size of a soft brush, for example, 166 pixels. Choose 73% opacity for the brush. Now combine the photos by applying the Brush tool around the edges of the added face. Switch foreground and background colors in the process to soften the edges. Create a new fill adjustment layer and choose Color Balance. Move the slider to +16 in the red scale. Move the slider to -10 in the yellow scale. Close the window. Go to the Layer tab and choose Merge Down. Click on the eye icon to see the changes in the layer. Go to the File tab and choose Save As. Type a name for your file and select JPEG format for a photo. Then click Save. In the following window, select the JPEG options and press OK.